Hey friends, my name is Matt. I figured I would also include a video along with this giant post that I just wrote, a little bit about who I am and what I do. I figured it's a little easier to watch a video than it is to read all this because I don't know about you, too long didn't read as most of that, but most of us know we're just getting the word count in, right? So, oh, yeah, unsaid truths about academia. At any rate, so who am I? So my name is Matt. I work innovation for our air and space forces. I live and work in Germany. I actually live right next to the border of Luxembourg. I can actually see Luxembourg from my window over here. I'm a European American. I live and work mostly on this side of the world. I do wear a uniform a lot of the time, I would say. Yeah, a lot of my LinkedIn posts are in uniform. I have a pretty massive LinkedIn presence, so that's mostly where I operate. Been in the innovation space for about a decade now, a little bit less than a decade, and I really like it. It's a heck of a lot of fun. It's what I want to do when I grow up someday. And yeah, that's kind of the big rocks kind of stuff. I'm pretty excited to knock out some of this law stuff. I know it's going to be really U.S. centric. In the future, I'm going to be focusing on dual-use technology and then turning European companies into American companies to access the American capital markets. There's a pretty lucrative market of, they subsidize a lot of their education here, and so there's a lot of super smart people. But those super smart people, they just don't have access to the same resources that we do in the States, and so the business idea is to create a company that makes that kind of thing happen. So that's what I plan to be doing. So business law is definitely going to be a big part of that, and pretty much looking forward to this class. So we'll see how all that stuff goes. Hope it goes well. Yeah, reading. Yeah, I love reading, but I will admit I like reading nonfiction, but I don't like reading law. Right? So I like business books and stuff like that. I read a lot. If you got any good book recommendations, make sure to give them to me. Yeah. All right, I think that's a long time for a video like this, so I guess I'll call it good for the time being. Hopefully this meets the intent. I gotta go respond to at least two new friends, right? Make sure to add me to LinkedIn, right? There's a link up there in this giant text I just wrote. All right, take care, friends.